Nope.
Hey, what's the matter?
No, no, no.
Dad, you're a great looking guy. Come on.
What are we doing?
My center cap right here. It won't go in.
Ooh, where is it?
Right here. So that's it. And well, hold on. Play with those rubber
Yeah.
seals a little bit.
No,
they
how'd it come out?
it never went in. I bought these wheels and I was able to get 3 of them in.
Yep.
That one just will not go in. I don't have a rubber mallet. I just haven't bought one. I don't know if it needs to be greased or oiled, but it will not. The rubber little rings around it.
Yep.
They're loose, so that when you push it in, they start coming off of their seats.
Yep. So I'm trying to think what I have. You don't want petroleum on there. Petroleum eats rubber, believe it or not. So okay.
The more you know. Raj the Dodge is in action. Lots of stuff in here.
Oh my god, dude, it's crazy. I need new shelves and everything. I'm just putting WD-40.
Oh, that'll probably do it.
Just needs one really good pop and it'll go in. Get a little bit. Nope. Oh, that's the guy that's going to be working for me tomorrow, I believe. Okay. I think it's in there, but I don't want it to pop. See,
I mean, it's in there better than the other 3, so I don't think it's going anywhere. The other 3 are not in there that much.
oh no.
Nope.
No.
Well, I did those by hand and I was like jamming it in with the back of a screwdriver.
I'd rather have them seat, but that one is seated better than the other ones are. I don't know if I should screw with these or not.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That helped a lot.
Yeah,
It's flush now.
Yep.
Cool. Dad, when you retire, you can work with me part-time for YouTube channel. We'll do all the installs.
Yeah, well, I'll be working on your house more than YouTube. So
Yeah.
yeah.
And playing with your future grandkids.
Hope so. There you go.
Oh, I'm sending the soldiers out to battle, so we'll see what happens. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am now going to embark on my trip from Maine all the way back to Tampa, Florida. The Type R is getting an oil change and a tire rotation right now at Griffith Honda in Presque Isle, Maine. We don't have a Honda dealership in Kira because it's only 7,000 people, but take a look at this view. This is beautiful. It's one good thing about northern Maine is it is gorgeous up here. And in the winter, everything's nice and white. Beautiful place, it really is. I'm gonna go see if I can take a peek at the Type R. The guys here are kind of fascinated that they're servicing a Type R. It's kind of funny. Here she is, all the way back there.
That let the power get to their head. A couple of rogue cops, they don't just destroy a life. They destroy, it's a ripple.
Holy
One,
shit.
if you, like Derek and I were at Sing Sing,
Holy
visiting
shit.
one of our clients, this guy Bruce Bryan.
Someone
And,
fucking call 911
it's
right
the
now, dude.
brothers,
Jesus
the sisters,
fuck.
the family, and then you start to multiply.
Fuck me, dude.
They don't just destroy a life. They destroy, it's a ripple.
Holy
One,
shit.
if you, like Derek and I were at Sing.
Here's what happened. That black SUV right there, there's an old lady who's driving, and she came up over that hill, way over there, didn't notice that everyone was stopped because there's construction, so it went down to like 1 lane at a time. I don't know what vehicle she smacked first, but it's all on my dash cam, so I'll have to get that video and play it and see what happened. But she may have sideswiped that one first and then swerved and then came back into the lane and smacked my old wrestling coach's car right there. Everyone is fine, which is why I am like filming this, otherwise I wouldn't be filming it. But okay, as you just saw on my dash cam, there was a huge accident. That silver car there, he was actually my wrestling coach all throughout school. Really nice guy. And here is the damage. Well, here's the debris everywhere. That black SUV, it was an older lady, and she just didn't notice that everyone was stopped. So that was I don't know, this is crazy. Everyone's okay. That's the important thing. I ran out. I helped get the old lady out of the car with that other guy over there. Here's the tow truck. I just downloaded the video from my dash cam to my laptop, and then I airdropped it to my old wrestling coach. And so he has it. I mean, I don't know how much help it's gonna be. I guess I need to reposition my dash cam because my rear view mirror is kind of in the way a little bit. But I don't know, I gave him what I had, just in case something doesn't quite line up, because things like that can happen. I don't know, man, this is, I don't know. Well, ladies and gentlemen, dude, not this again. I'm leaving Maine a lot later than I would have liked to. Northern Maine, I mean. But here I am. I just got on the highway, I-95 south. I just lost maybe like 2 hours of progress, which isn't a big deal, but I was trying to at least get down to Portland, where I used to live before I joined the military, so I could show you guys in daylight my old apartment, and then maybe like the building where I used to work downtown. I think that would have been really cool to show you that, but it's gonna be dark. I might still show you guys where I used to live. Cute little apartment, like 110 years old. But you know what? Everything's all right. It's all gonna be fine. Well, I have absolutely no idea how I'm still going right now. But it's 1:57 in the morning. I've been tired since like 7:30. I have no idea how I'm doing this right now. I'm at the Charlton Plaza in, I think, Massachusetts? Pretty sure I'm still in Massachusetts. And I am absolutely going to pull over and take a nap. This looks like a perfectly fine spot right here. It's a nice peaceful morning here in Wallingford, Connecticut. My Uncle Matt actually lives here in Connecticut. Not Wallingford, I don't think, but I'm stopping at a Starbucks. I really need a drink. Last night I got a vanilla sweet cream cold brew. That's a really good one. I really wanted a chocolate cream cold foam cold brew. God darn it, that's such a mouthful, dude. Type R feels great in this weather though. 68 degrees with 93 octane all the way up the East Coast. Oh, and
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
yeah, I have. Here I am in Connecticut. This is a really cute state. I've always enjoyed coming down here because my Uncle Matt has been down here since, I don't know, the 2000s. Here's the drink I got. The chocolate cold foam cold brew. They definitely did not spell my name right, but that's okay. Once you mix it all up, dude, this is super good. Well, this weather definitely makes me feel at home. I mean, it's in the middle of August, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty chilly. The vegetation is all what I'm used to. No palm trees up here, that's for sure. There's just something about the feel of New England. I actually have gotten a lot of direct messages after I posted that I'll be doing this road trip from people in New Jersey, Massachusetts, Connecticut. I still have not seen another Type R on this whole entire trip. I've seen some SIs, 8th gen, 9th gen, 10th gen. I just love how good this car feels. That's what kind of makes me miss living in a climate that would at least get kind of cold. It's been 15 hours now since that accident happened, and I I keep thinking about it. It kind of disturbed me last night, you know, that whole entire drive until I took a nap. That was scary, and I wasn't even the one involved. I just felt scared for the people who were involved in the accident right when it happened. It is unbelievable that nobody got injured. I mean, that's I'm not gonna say it's miraculous, because an accident like that still sucks. I don't know, that's the first major accident I've ever witnessed in person. I mean, the semi-truck hitting the BRZ, it's not like a major accident, you know? Airbags didn't go off, the car's not totaled. My car didn't like roll over. That black GMC SUV, GMC Yukon, I'll play it again right here and zoom in.
They don't just destroy a life. They destroy, you know, it's a ripple.
Holy
You know,
shit.
if you, like Derek and I were at Sings.
That thing rolled over, and when I went to go help get her out of the car, I mean, that thing had so many airbags in it. I don't know, man. That really jolted me. I see a beautiful white 910 Civic Si sedan up here. Every time I see an FB6, I just cannot wait to get another one. I love the 910 SI more than anyone should, and I really can't, I don't understand exactly why. Okay, this car looks really good in white. My problem right now is I don't know what color to get the 9 Gen. And I mean, I haven't sold the BRZ yet. The BRZ's not even fixed yet. So I'm just preparing, because I'm so excited to finally get a 9th Gen. I know there are a lot of people who prefer the 8th Gen over the 9th Gen. And I mean, most 9th Gen owners who are level-headed will admit that the 8th Gen is, you know, more of an iconic example of the Civic Si than the 9th Gen is. Oh yeah, buddy. I will see you again soon, 9th Gen. Daddy's coming home. This poor car. I'm going through New York right now. Where am I? Oh, frig, dude. I'm on the George Washington Bridge again. Holy shit, dude. Get the fuck away from my car, man. These people are wild. I thought drivers in Florida were bad, but dude, New Yorkers and Connecticut and massholes, these drivers are nuts. I don't know how. Like, dude, I just don't like it. I tried to find a way to avoid all of this without adding on like 3 or 4 hours to my trip, but this is the way my GPS is bringing me, unfortunately. This makes me so nervous. What did make me feel a little bit better was a few minutes ago I saw a brand new, with temp tags and everything, a brand new C8 Corvette. So if that guy feels confident enough to bring a brand new C8 down here, I guess I should be fine. Dude, I have like PTSD with semi-trucks now. Okay, a little close there, bud. These people are gonna give me a heart attack. There is a massive traffic jam. This has been going on for probably 45 minutes now. I'm on whatever frickin' road this is in New Jersey. Yeah.
Hazard reported ahead in 1.6 miles.
Yep,
You're
you
still
told
on
me
the
that.
fastest route.
Told me that several times. Thanks. I mean, this is ridiculous. Something happened. This is obnoxious. And trying to merge all of this is trying to merge that. At one point there were like 4 car widths worth of cars, all trying to merge into this one lane. It's been miserable. You guys see this? I have absolutely no idea what's going on. All of a sudden, like 3 minutes ago, a bunch of cars behind me just like flying by in the breakdown lane. I don't know what's going on. No idea. I should probably be using Waze right now because it'll give a lot more detail. But given the fact that I've experienced an accident myself and then had one happen 2 cars behind me yesterday, I'm not really trying to look at my phone right now. This is wild shit, dude. 2 lanes. This goes down to 2 lanes. Whoever's bright idea that was, go fuck yourself. Here we are, guys. It's midnight on, what is this, Saturday night, Sunday morning? I'm about to make my final stretch. I just got, I don't know, like 3 hours of sleep. Very much needed sleep. This Type R is looking, it actually has remained fairly clean since Maine, which is surprising. In Maine, it got the most dirty out of any state because, you know, it's Maine. This is always like the dirtiest part of the car though, right here. I'm not gonna touch it, but let me show you something cool though. I managed to get away with some pretty cool stuff. Check this out. You guys know me and my Halo action figures. Well, these are some of my Halo action figures that survived my childhood. I had a lot more at one point. Gave some away to my brothers, and I don't know, some just like broke and stuff. But these are some Halo 2 vehicles right here. Then I had a bunch of Halo 3 figures. Oh, that one's missing a hand. That sucks. This guy. These are the little brutes that go with the ghosts. And then in case anyone was looking for a nice throwback to 2007, this is the helmet that came with the Halo 3 Legendary Edition. You get your games in there, the bonus features and all that type of stuff. That's a classic. From this point on, it should be smooth sailing. Unless something crazy happens on the way home, I'll obviously catch it on my dash cam before I'm able to like start my GoPro. As for now, I think I will just start this back up when I get home. I just gotta get on the road, have a little bit of silence, and just get the heck out of here, guys. Thank you very much for watching these 3 videos, and I hope they entertained you. I'll see you very soon.